Here we go. Let's just get this over. Oh, shit! I forgot to turn on the 400.
Ohio. The preceding
No!
test of the weather radio station KIG,
Well,
86 Columbus, Ohio.
there's a way I can fix
public
this.
warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the and thunderstorm in the upper 80s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Threat of severe weather. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location.
Hopefully I can get you some batteries.
Transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign,
That's a shame. Why is it called
Delaware,
test warning?
Fairfield, Fayette,
There's a blister on my foot.
Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison,
2.
Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio.
Have they even done a test yet?
And the Regional Air Pollution
I wonder.
Control.
Dude, look at this. Come on, look. Come on. Oh wow, we're right in the slight risk area, as well as the 5% tornado area. Well, look what we are getting into. Hang on, let me see. What's the... There we go. It's about time you guys went off.
This is the National Weather Service Office in Charleston, West Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal and warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is the threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties reached by this weather radio station in Ohio: Athens, Gallia, Hocking, Jackson, Meigs, Morgan, Perry, Vinton, and Washington.
Wow.
In West Virginia, Jackson, Mason, Pleasant, and Wood. These are the regional weather.
I am extraordinarily
At Parkersburg, it was
extraordinarily
sunny.
happy you guys finally decided to do your thing, you know. Why not? Oh, did I pass the set channel? Oh my god.
At Wheeling,
Oh, I can sadly get channel
weather
1.
patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes. chances commence late Wednesday and continue into Thursday ahead of a cold front.
Put that there.
Below normal temperature.